Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here is we have a 16-inch chrome wheel for like 57, 78 Sportster. It's a 16-inch. Uh, this takes a 500 by 16 tire. On this side right here, you can see it's a side rubber valve tube. The rim is made by Femco. The spokes are reproduction. I believe it's a genuine hub chromed. Okay, it's not perfect condition. It is used. It's something that we put together here with the spokes and a rim that we had here. And the rim is made by Femco. So we're going to spin it for you right here. Not bad. Not bad at all. This is great for a everyday rider. It's not a showpiece, but it's great for an everyday rider. The chrome's not perfect on everything, but it's a nice wheel. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff, and we'll go from there.